What it do? What's up, YouTube? It's your girl DeSiree, and I'm back on the cam with another video. And as y'all can see by the title, today I'm gonna be giving y'all at least 10 plus things you can do to make money as a teen. I am 19 and I have 3 streams of income right now, and I'm trying to get to passive incomes in at least 7. None of these are fake. None of these are those little bitty surveys they be trying to get you to do for 2 cents. Like, I did a 20-minute survey for 2 cents. That's a waste of time, a waste of life. And none of these are that. So if you like what I'm talking about, go ahead and stay tuned. Okay? I'm just gonna pull out my handy dandy phone and probably put a screenshot of what the app looks like or what the site looks like right here, and just follow instructions and go ahead and make your bread. Okay, get that bread, get that. Okay, I don't condone that type of energy, but let's go ahead. Okay, the first thing I want to say is affiliate programs. I actually have affiliate links in my description for things that people ask me where I got from. So I was just putting the regular links, but now I'm putting the affiliate links so that I can get a commission every time you guys buy it. Like the lip gloss that I have on, I have it in the description. The bonnets I normally wear, I have it in the description, and plenty of other things that people ask me. My ring light, my tripod, all of that is in the description. If you want to check it out or anything, just go, and they're in the description. And so basically with affiliate programs, I just said it, you get a link, and once the people click the link and buy the link and buy that specific product, you get a commission from it, which is basically a percentage of what they spent with that link. Okay, number 2 is Redbubble. This is what it looked like. It's an app, and basically with Redbubble, you create a design, you come up with anything, and you post it on the app, and then the app then turns it into mugs, shirts, posters, anything, and if someone buys it, you get a commission from that. Next is Fetch Rewards. I have the link to join Fetch Rewards in the description below. And so with Fetch Rewards, you basically scan receipts and you get points, and the points turn into like gift cards or cashback. I personally always get a Walmart gift card because I shop at Walmart anyway. So then now I can get my money, then I can scan that and get more money back. And I also just scan everybody's receipt and it comes in my house. Duh, like, come on now, get you everybody's receipt. I just scan it and get that paper. Next is Coin Out, which is basically the same thing. You scan receipts, but with this one, they actually give you money back. So you scan the receipt and they give you a percentage of what you spent. Sometimes they just give you a flat rate of like 50 cents or $1. It's different for every receipt in every store. Next is Babysits. Right now, I don't know about y'all, but my daughter daycare has been closed for quite a bit now. She hasn't been to daycare since March. Actually late February, probably beginning of March, and it is now July. I work from home, I make money from home, so I don't need a babysitter, but there's plenty of people who do, and the daycares are closed. So just hit up family members so you won't have to expose yourself to COVID if you are afraid of COVID. But yeah. Next is sell items. If you're going to sell them in person, you can sell them on Mercari, Pops, just all these different apps. Just type in your Play Store, your Apple Store, or whatever you call it, App Store, Play Store. Type in sell or sell items or sell clothes, and it'll pop up different apps that you can sell old things on, even new things. I know people who go to discounted stores like Marshall's, Ross, and buy things very cheap and then sell them twice of what they bought them from to get a profit, which is great. And a lot, you can Google it, you look it on YouTube. A lot of people actually are making a lot of money doing this because those stores are now selling very good items like Nike, Adidas, Jordan, that people actually want to buy, and then they're getting their profit. So that's a very, very, very good source of money right there. Next, hold on, I'm sorry for interrupting this video, but I had to stop this real quick because I noticed that you're not subscribed to my channel. I noticed that you made it this far into the video, but you have not liked it. I noticed that. And I just don't really like that. It's really hurting me. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And let's continue to this video. If you have a car, these apps are exploding right now because it's COVID and a lot of people do not want to go anywhere. You can do Uber, you can do Uber Eats, you can do Lyft, you can do DoorDash. All these apps that need people to drive around, and that's basically your own business. I heard you can just like write that off on your taxes and write your gas off and all this stuff. So I don't know about it, but you do your research, and those apps actually make a lot of change. I know someone personally who makes about $700 a week doing Uber alone, and they also do Lyft. So that's a great source of income if you want to do that as a part-time job, part-time gig of any sort. Those are also great. And also those apps, those places that do food delivery, like grocery delivery. I can't remember. I did it once, and I cannot remember for the life of me what was the name of it. But you can just type in food delivery, and it'll pop up all types of apps. I'll probably put screenshots of different ones right here. Next is Fiverr. I personally made money off Fiverr about 3 times because I do make thumbnails. Follow my Instagram right here if you need a thumbnail. I do make thumbnails for $5 a thumbnail because when I first started YouTube, I did not know how to do thumbnails, and every thumbnail maker was charging $15 a thumbnail, and I was making videos every day. I do not have like $15 a day for a thumbnail. So if you want cheap thumbnails, hit me up. But Fiverr, which is basically a freelance app where you can put any service on there. I've literally seen people on there who's like, I'll be your best friend for $10. Girl, I'm gonna be my own best friend before I give you $10 to be my best friend. With that, it's just, you could do anything. If you know how to do thumbnails, you know how to edit videos, you just put your job on there, and then people click it, and you just talk to them about what they want, and then there's quick change. Next, YouTube. I advise everybody to start YouTube because this is one source of passive income. Because believe it or not, I'm not a large YouTuber yet. Speak everything into existence, manifest the life you want. But I get views of videos I made when I first started YouTube, and now that I'm monetized, those ads still play. Ads play on those videos every time someone clicks it, which is revenue, which is money, which is cha-ching. And that never stops. Like videos I posted 2 years ago when I first started YouTube, it did not stop. Now that I'm monetized, they have ads on them, and that is getting me cha-ching. Like, start a YouTube, and if YouTube is not your thing, start a blog, which is basically the same thing because you can put Google AdSense on blogs and you can put Google AdSense on YouTube. It's just YouTube takes not that long. It didn't take me long to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, but if you keep being consistent with anything, it'll eventually work out, especially if you put your all into it. This one is, these are survey apps, but these survey apps actually play pretty good. One is called 1Q, and it's an app where they give you quick little surveys and you get that cha-ching. They send you PayPal money every time you get the thing, every time you complete a survey. If you don't have a PayPal, when I was young, I just sent the money to my mom's PayPal, and she sent it to her bank, and then she got the money off and gave it to me. So I do that when I wasn't 18, because you do need to be 18 to get PayPal. But if you're not, just use your mom's, and then, or your dad, or anybody 18 or older, then PayPal sends the money to your bank account, and you can just go get the money off from your bank. This next app is called Survey to Go. These surveys are a little longer, but it is great money. When I was younger, I've used 1Q when I was in high school, and I used Survey to Go when I was in high school because I didn't get my first job until junior year. And yeah, before that, I was just doing these little things to make change because I didn't really need much, but that's besides the point. But Survey on to Go, so they're longer, but you still get money, and it's still pretty decent money. Next, I want to say is Sweatcoin, and personally, Sweatcoin is good for me because I also make money preferring it to my friends and family, but I also do try to walk at least 10,000 steps a day. so my steps kind of add up quicker, because a lot of people don't walk. If you didn't know, you're supposed to get 10,000 steps a day, and I've been trying to do that for like since this COVID stuff started, and it's like not a lot of people walking the track, so I go walk that track. And yeah, so Sweatcoin, I have the link to join Sweatcoin in the description below. Next is Ibotta, and Ibotta is another another app where you scan receipts and you no Ibotta. So Ibotta is basically linking all the accounts that you have with different stores like Target, Walmart, Walgreens, H&M, and you log in on this one app. And with the app, when you purchase from the store, you put your phone number in, like most stores. Put your phone number in on the little keypad before you purchase, and they give you money back, and they also like give you discounts on certain things that you buy. And that's a great way to not also make money but save money. So y'all download Ibotta. Last but not least, Mercari, Depop, and Poshmark. I think I already said that, but those are great apps to sell old things. I have personally sold all of my daughter's old shoes on Mercari. And they actually sell. Like, people actually buy stuff like that. And um I feel like this video is long enough, so I'm just going to stop it right here. But I do have more ways to make money in my phone. So if you want more ways to make money at home, or through your phone or anything, just make sure you subscribe to my channel. Comment in the comment section what else you want to see, because I do read those and do put those into consideration when I'm making videos. So yeah, I also have, for the guys, because I know lots of guys like to play games, I have ways to make money playing games on your phone coming real soon. And I also have more videos about how to just make money as a teenager, or just to make money at home in general, because a lot of people have lost their jobs due to COVID. And it's a lot of ways to make money with these simple devices, you guys. So just go ahead and just start. It's just that simple. But I hope this gave you guys a lot of information. A lot. Like, comment, and subscribe.